Let's fill out the Utah Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now, the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price, lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you'll need to get this done right. First, you'll need the original certificate of title. This is a key document, so make sure you have the physical copy on hand before you get started. Next, the seller needs to have signed in the appropriate places on the title. This signature is what officially releases their ownership of the vessel, so double-check that it's there and complete. If there was a previous lien on the boat, you'll also need a release from that lien holder. This shows that any prior financial claim on the vessel has been cleared. And finally, make sure the purchase date is recorded on your bill of sale. Getting that date documented is an important part of the transaction. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.